In this guide, I'll show you how to fix locked games on PS5. So in this example, you can see Crimson Desert has the locked icon beside it. And when I try to launch the game, it just brings me to the PlayStation Store to purchase it. So what you want to do with your game is first go to Settings, and then under Settings, select Users and Accounts. Scroll down to Other and scroll over, and select Restore Licenses. And you want to look for that specific game, and once you've selected it, you can go ahead and restore the licenses. Now you'll notice under My Licenses, I don't actually have that game. So if that's the case, it's likely you purchased it on a different PlayStation Network account. So what I recommend you do is select your profile picture in the top right corner and try switching to a different user to see if that's the case. So once I sign on to this PlayStation Network account, you'll notice immediately that that locked icon is gone. So I'll be able to play it on this account, and if I want to share it with other users on the PS5, what I'll have to do is go to Settings and Users and Accounts, then scroll down to Other, go to Console Sharing and Offline Play, and you'll have to enable it on this account, and then all other users will be able to access your game. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.